Hi, what's up, YouTube? Top of the morning to you. Yeah, hi, what's up? I'm going to the hairdresser right now. My hair is kind of looking rough. Yeah, I was waiting for 3 weeks to do it. I think I should start waiting for 3 weeks and start doing it every 2 weeks, to be honest. Because I'm looking super duper rough on a 3 week, you know? So I'll think about it and see what I'm gonna do. So let's go. Get my hair done, get a line up, look like a fresh looking fresh afterwards, looking like a handsome young man after. Yeah, today is Friday. Yeah, I'm going out tonight. You dig? Yeah. You had somebody before? Fourth? Says you're tired. That's crazy. They might work out. Jodes, funny vlogs.
The blog. The blog.
Vlogs a lot. Not the dreadlocks. Skin about that waist. You do?
Reach home, Kashi. Miss Sean said Brianna reach home early today.
Looking sharp, bro. Out here. Man, the Jodes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey, the Jodes. Man, the vlog.
Watching my record.
Vlog. You don't want to get recorded? You have to tell the people about your dress sign.
Jode's Hair Care.
Yeah, nah,
Best natural hair salon.
in the world.
Yes. Especially for the kids who their parents can't manage to comb their hair. Just send them to Auntie Jody.
Jody.
Yeah.
Nah, man, I lie.
Yeah.
Check out my lens, bro. I'm a Rasta. I'm a Rasta man, baby. Check out my lens. Loyalty over everything is all I need. So my hair done. Looking sharp, you know? I'm gonna go to the barber now, get a line up. Not gonna touch my beard, just lining up. Don't touch my stash. And that's it, you know? Out there. Yes, I'm here at the barber. Gonna get a lineup real quick. Get a lineup, just line up my beard, you know? Fast and come back. No, I'm not gonna touch my beard, just cut off down here, so in place, yeah. Yeah, line up, come around, so boom up, line up over the top. Boom, come here, so we didn't make more stuff to grow up. I want these areas to grow in, you know? So that's the plan. That's the plan. So let's see what happens. Bad look vibe that time. Yeah, so I just finish up, get my line up. Looking sharp, looking handsome again. I also got some lunch from Susie's. It's just the lunch that I got. It's a salad with some chicken in it. With some fish and some curry chicken. From Susie's. You can see the fish. You can see the curry chicken. And a whole lot of greens. It's a diet because it's the weekend. So that's my lunch. I'm gonna go home and eat this. I could stay there and eat it, but I'm gonna go home. It's a piece. Yeah, so my ear. No, I'm looking at my hairstyle. I'm looking at my hairstyle and my hair and my lineup. And I think this is the best that I've looked in a long while, you know? Yeah, and I'm definitely going out tonight, see if I can get some hoes. I'm going to link up the bros, call up bros and go out and see if I can get some hoes tonight because I'm looking too handsome with my cut and my hairdo. This is a redo hairdo. I got this one last year sometime, this style, and I really like it, and I told her to give me it back. Yeah. And I'm looking sharp as ever. Yeah, I'm gonna have my lunch now. See, I got lunch. It's a salad with some. Yeah, I showed you this already. Salad with curry chicken because that's the only chicken that they had. It's just some lettuce, some tomatoes, and a whole lot of other greens with some curry chicken and some fish. I don't know, fish fillets. Yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch right now. My only meal for the day. I'm eating the first thing since morning time is 4:13. That's crazy. But it is what it is. Bro, do you want the friend? So I throw him the holly, you know? The magnets. It's been really good to me, you know? She's digging the rocks on my arm. I'm a roster, baby. Yeah, bro. So I'm outside. I came to get some lunch. Really quickly. Because I was dying slowly, you know? Nice little wrappy wrap. Jerk chicken wrap. Just now. You dig? Look at this beauty that I got going on here, bro. Nice and beautiful. And my water. I'm out here. Top of the morning, ladies and gents. What's up? What's popping? Today's Sunday morning, and I just want to say real quick, I love everything about Rastafarianism, and I was wondering if I should become a Rastafari. You know, instead of beating like Kanos and having like, I should just lock my ear and just become a real Rasta. You know, put some rocks in my ear, like, you know. But because I love everything. Growing up, I've always loved everything about Rastafarianism. Right? My father even nicknamed me Bobo. That's my nickname, my real nickname, Bobo. Yeah, and I was wondering if I should become a Rasta for real, because I love everything about Rastafarianism. The only problem with me and Rastafarianism is that I don't believe that Haile Selassie was a god. I don't believe in Rastafari, right? But I love everything about the culture that Jamaica created, that my people have created. Yeah, because we created a religion, and I love everything about it, except the God that they worship. But then again, we're all gods in a sense, because we're children of God, so that means we're of God, right? And we create things like God the Creator. However, God is God, God above. You know, but like we're kind of God, because we're children of God. We're kind of capable of doing things one and the same in a sense, yeah. So, but worshiping somebody or like worshiping yourself, or I don't know, it's kind of complicated when you get into that. But I just want to say I love everything about Rastafarianism. Haile Selassie, though is not a, wasn't, you know, but like you see what I'm trying to say. I was wondering if I should be a Rasta man, because even around the world people love Rastafarianism, and we here in Jamaica just take it for like something light. You know, it's not nothing light for real, you know. It's a big deal for real, you know. Yeah, that's what I want to say. You don't have to believe in Haile Selassie to be a Rasta. It's not a I believe in it's not a I believe in Rastafari thing. It's not a I believe in Haile Selassie thing. Maybe, I'm not sure. But I love the culture though. Yeah, I'm a Rasta man, baby. Yeah, let me take you to the river. Yo, I'm going through my old phone and to find a picture for my mom. Happy Mother's Day to all of the beautiful mothers out there. This is my mom. She's a beautiful woman. That's where I got all my good looks from. For real, for real. Yeah. And I saw a lot of things in my old phone here. Yeah, I remember when I used to go look at the moon to meditate. It's crazy. I used to meditate. This is when I just started meditating. How long ago this? 2019. I just started meditating. I used to go on top of my house top to meditate under the moon. It's crazy back in the day, bro. The things I used to do. And I saw a picture of a camera that I took that I was gonna buy. This is from 2019. I wanted to buy a Canon R5, a Canon EOS R. The R5 wasn't out yet, and I got the R5 right now. So it's crazy. You really do can manifest things for real. I want to buy one of these crystals. Moldavite. They say it's the most powerful crystal in the world too. Haven't bought this yet, but I can buy it. I can buy it whenever. It's just that there it's really expensive, and the prices keep going up. Like $1,000 for a piece of stone like this. Little like this, $1,000. I'm like $3,000 for like a little piece, depending on how it looks. $3,000 US for a little piece of stone. Yeah, something like this. Small like this. It's been a while since I wanted to buy these. You know? It's crazy how like this is when I used to do my scrubs all the time. I used to do a lot of scrubs. Turmeric scrubs. Yeah, I probably should start doing about that. Maybe that's why my face was so healthy back then. My face need back some of that healthiness now. But that's it. I'm gonna go get some mangoes now. Just to calm down my nerves a little bit. Yeah, brighten up my day. Hi, what's up? So it's night time and I'm having my first meal for the day. It's a meal that I got at Mega Mart. It's just a whole lot of vegetables, look a bit of chicken, and I don't think that is sweet potato over there. I'm still on a diet because it's still the weekend, Sunday. Yeah, I kind of warm up this and I shouldn't have warmed it up in the microwave though because the vegetable kind of look queerly. Still, but it is what it is. I should take out the chicken and warm up the chicken and then put it back in there. But I don't know why they did it like this because this have to warm up. I can't eat cold chicken. Yeah, kind of nice though. You dig? So after I finish eating this, then I'm gonna go on the road. I'm gonna go to a field near me to try to take some astrology photography. Some pictures of the stars. I was trying to take some pictures of the stars last night, but it didn't work out well because there was a lot of light around, like the street lights and all of that. So that was blocking the light of the stars. They say that I should go somewhere where there's not a lot of city light. I was looking it up on the internet and they said that I should go somewhere where there's not a lot of city light if I want the better quality pictures. So I'm gonna try that tonight. Yeah, and see what happens, okay? Yeah, and I'm drinking some vitamin water too, as well. But it's very expensive. I'm never gonna buy it again. About $300, not worth the money. I already take vitamins differently. Pills, supplements. This is $300. This is way too much. Power C, dragon fruit flavor. Nah, I'm not lie. Maybe if I get super duper rich, where this isn't a problem for me, I'll buy a lot of them at the supermarket. But that's too expensive, not worth the money. Hey guys, so I just bought a meal from a vegan restaurant for the very first time. And I bought some cereal also from them. A vegan cereal. That's crazy. Have I ever had a vegan meal before? Yes, I guess because I've eaten vegetables alone before. We do that all the time and that's vegan. Like you eat some just vegetables alone like some rice. That's vegan because in this is rice and peas, stewed peas, and some other stuff. It's a vegan meal. I'm trying out. There's a vegan restaurant right next to me right there, walking distance. And I never been there because I don't know why. I never try because I never really want to try vegan. I always want some chicken to eat and stuff like that. But I guess I'm really starting my Rastafarian journey today. You know, I guess the journey has started for a long while because I've been of Rasta beliefs for a very long while now. But I'm eating vegan from a vegan restaurant for the very first time. And I'll try to let you know how it goes, okay? You should leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm a Rasta man, baby. Let me take you to a vegan restaurant. This food is real vegan food, real Rastaman food, no salt. Nothing. It tastes really good though. Tastes really nice. I forgot what this was, but it's really nice. A lot of beans in the food, yeah. I'm gonna buy that restaurant. I'm gonna start buying food at that restaurant a lot. It's not expensive. $8.50 for this box of food, and it's walking distance from where I live. You know, easier than going to like a fast food restaurant. like island grill. Alright. Yeah. So I'll give this a 10, to be honest. This was what was expensive though. Sorry. For $350. That's crazy. But the food is worth the money though. $850. Vegan. I guess it's a lot of expensive things that they're buying though, because it's just peas, and this look like it's another bean thing mixed up with some other thing and some vegetables and then some rice and peas. So it's not expensive to prepare this. So I guess that's why they sell it so cheap. But it's really good though. Hi, what's up YouTube? So right now I'm going on the road right now. I'm going to a field nearby me. The time is on 9:20. I'm looking at my laptop. The time is 9:20. I'm going out to see if I can get some astro photography. I'm gonna try to take the pictures of the stars. Yeah, I tried it the other night. I forgot. I think it was Saturday night. Saturday night? No, it wasn't Saturday night. Sunday night. So last night. Now, I'm not sure which one of the night. It wasn't last night. I'm not sure which one of the nights I've tried to take pictures of the stars, but they didn't came out well because there's a lot of light around me, a lot of street lights, and I was looking up some videos on YouTube, and they said that you should go to a really dark place so that the lights. So you shouldn't be in a city, but I'm still gonna be in the city. It's just on a football field. It's good. And the football field is really dark, right? So it should come out pretty decent, but you never know because I'm still in the city and there's a lot of light around coming from the city, and they say you shouldn't really do it in a city, right? So I'm gonna see what happens if I can take some really nice pictures, and if I do, then you're gonna see them. I'm gonna put them in the video or something so that you can see them. And if they come out really nice, I'm gonna take it as a hobby. I'm gonna pick it up as a new hobby, taking pictures of the stars and stuff like that, and the galaxy. Maybe I'll buy a bigger lens, because this is a 15 to 35 millimeter lens, RF Canon, on the EOS R5. So we're gonna see what happens. So I'm here on location right now at the field, at the Barbican Beach Bar right now, and I never know that it was so bright at night time. They said that I should go where no light is, so that the camera won't pick up on the light coming off from the earth. I will just go straight up in space and take the pictures of the stars. So I'm gonna try it, but I'm gonna go probably down there to the farther end in the darkness and set up the tripod and do it down there, alright? Hopefully these pictures come out nice. And maybe after this I'll go up in the hills in Kingston to take the star pictures of the stars up here. Astrophotography. Another problem is the moon. I don't know if you can see the moon. It's kind of bright tonight. They say that the best photos that you can take of the stars is when there's no moon in the sky. You know what I mean? The darker the sky, the night sky is, the better. So that you can take the picture, you can see the light from the stars, you know? So you can take a picture of the stars. So hopefully that doesn't cause a problem. But we'll just have to try and see what happens. I'm still seeing myself in the camera, bro. The amount of light coming out. The camera, I think it's gonna pick up this light. But I'm on the field now. I'm going to the darkest side of the field, which is up here. So yeah, then I'll set up my camera and we'll do it. Yeah, so this is where I'm setting up my tripod. I'm gonna take it right here. And over here is really nice at night though. I never know it was so nice over here at night time. I could probably take somebody's daughter over here, you know? Yeah, maybe thief a look a piece on the bench. Alright, over this side of the bush. I don't know. So that was a failure. Astrophotography was a failure, right? There was a lot of light. The camera was picking up a lot of light, you know, so I couldn't get to take a good picture of the stars. But I'll try again another time. I'll try again somewhere else. Yes, guys, so that's it for the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's it. The pictures didn't went so well. I'll show them Maybe you're gonna see them after this clip or before. I'm not sure yet. So you're gonna see the star, the astrology photos, and they didn't came out well. So yeah, I doubt you're gonna like them, but I'm gonna try to take more. I'm gonna do some more research and learn some more about astrophotography and start taking pictures of stars. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be one of my hobbies, taking pictures of stars. Okay. Yeah, maybe I'll buy a telescope lens where I can like zoom in on like maybe a planet in outer space and take a, that's gonna be an expensive lens though. Those lenses are gonna be really expensive, like $15,000 US. So I'm probably not gonna buy that now. Probably like way long down the road maybe. If I like if I like taking pictures of stars so much. You know? Yeah. So that's it. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And as for me being a Rasta man, I've always been a Rasta man, I think. You know, all Jamaican men are kind of have Rasta beliefs within them. You know, to some extent. So we're all one and the same. So I'm going to start talking to the item like this from now on. See? Yes, because I know you're a Rasta man, you know, and you don't know. Yeah, so peace and love. See? One and all. Outside, out there.